What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this update on Ethereum. Important update. I'll tell you everything you need to know about Ethereum today, and the most important thing you should know about Ethereum and crypto in general today is that we're going to have an inflation rate number coming from the US, and that always makes the market move. So if you want to check that out, if you want to follow it live, if you also want to see the live results coming here, what you have to do is you have to go to myfxbook.com and then look up the economic calendar, or you can just look up any economic calendar, but this is the one I use and this is pretty good. It's pretty fast. So then we got the inflation rate. Most important numbers are the CPI and both the inflation rates year on year. Month on month it's interesting, but it doesn't matter that much for crypto. So that's going to happen. That's going to make the market move. Let's take a look at what we've already been doing. What you can see is that Ethereum has kind of been in a consolidating state. We're not reacting to these EMAs much anymore. Usually what you see is that when those EMAs, so those are the colored lines in between, if they fall flat, so if they start to just move sideways, that means that the average price, even exponentially, is just steady. So that means that we're consolidating. So I guess you could argue, I mean, in the end, we are not really in a consolidation, because what you can clearly see in the price is that we are making lower highs from here, starting the 10th of November. But on the other hand, we're also making higher lows ever since the 22nd of November. So what we basically have is we have a contraction and we're being squeezed, which is causing I mean that like the bearish momentum and the bullish momentum come closer together, which means the price is kind of bouncing around very often, and that gives some sort of a consolidating illusion. Well, it really isn't. So what's going to happen in the upcoming 2 days is we are going to get big moves. We're going to break out. All right, so we're going to either get a bullish breakout, and I'll just draw this trend line kind of just normally, not using any magnet. More like this. I mean, you can see that we actually broke through that, so that's more of a consolidating thing. But in general, there's just this uptrend, and what will happen is we'll either get a bearish breakout or a bullish breakout, depending on those fundamentals. Those are the most important thing today and tomorrow, because tomorrow we'll also have the interest rate. And basically what it depends on is if the inflation rate is higher than the consensus or not. So if the actual is higher than the consensus, so as expected or not. If it is actually higher than expected, that's bad for crypto. And what will happen is that right now we have this small support level around 1250. What will happen is we'll break through that. We'll definitely drop down to 1215 and 1225. And then from there, we might find some support, but I actually do think we'll drop down to 1200 and 1190 as well. At least, all right? I mean, I could definitely see that we could drop down lower than this, but this is like the very least I expect in the upcoming day after news like that. But that is only if it's higher than expected. So if for example it would be 7.5. If it is actually lower than expected, it's very bullish, very bullish. What will happen then is I think we'll break above this bearish momentum we have right now. We'll break above 1290, break above 1300, and we'll start moving up towards 1340 and 1350. Which I don't think we can break with bullish news like that, but maybe tomorrow, if we also get some more bullish news coming from the interest rate remarks from the press conference and the longer term projections, maybe then we could actually get back up to 1400. But at this point in time, that just seems too good to be true, because we really haven't got the results yet. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on the interest rate. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye.